Hello everyone. This presentation is part of Visualization in Data Science course, and I, representing Group 36, am going to present our visualizations. Our visualizations is based on the DID dataset. Here first we have a branch leaf map visualization where we can see we have a branch leaf map sort of structure where each branch represents specific product types and leaves inside these product types represent specific product subtype for those product types. We also can see that we have varying color shades for each product type. So we can see we have here a lighter color. So if we see, then we can see that it has the quantity of 99,967. And here we have a darker color, which has relatively less number of quantities. That means the darker the color, the less number of quantity, and brighter the color, we have the higher number of quantity. Similarly, we have further interactions, and I also like to explain how it answers our task question of pinpointing successful and unsuccessful products. For that, let's go through an example. Let's say there is a brand called Arcantic, and they are planning to cut down all the products except a specific product in the subtype martial weapon so that they can cut down their expenses. And they have asked us to find this report and report them. So for that, we have here an option to filter across different business units, product business line leader, or brand name. We want for specific brand Arcantic. Okay. And we said that we want to do it for product subtype of martial weapon. So for martial weapon, we can see that is martial melee weapon subtype. Now we can click here and we can see that it gets selected with dark black border. And now when I go down, I actually can see heat map of annual sales by products for selected product subtype, that is martial weapon. And now we can see all the products for martial weapon that is listed here. And this visualization clearly shows that this specific weapon, Horizon, has the highest number of product sales compared to other products. So this is relatively the successful product, and this is what we would like to say to continue for the better performance. And we can also export this heat map as an image, and here we have the result, and we can simply send this to our team so that they can use it for their marketing purposes. And now I'd like to go forward with our another visualization, that is tree map visualization. So for the tree map visualization, we have a tree map for order sales and quantity through different regions and subsequent territories. Here we can see that each region is defined by different colors, and the box of region is depending on the order value for that specific region. Similarly, region is further divided into territories. The box size for the territories also determines the order value. Similarly, we can see that there is a varying shade of colors across the regions for territories, and the brighter color here represents the higher amount of quantity and the darker color represents the lower amount of quantity. So here for this specific Athkatla territory, we can see that it has higher order value and also higher quantity, so that's why bigger box and lighter color of shade of orange. Now one of the task question was to discover the trends across the regions and territories and understand how the order sales is going on, and also to explain the interactions. I'd like to go through one of the example. So let's say we want the data between 2021 and 22 during the corona times, and we want to know that for all reasons which specific territories had highest number of orders during this time period. So for that we can see we have different sort of tiling method, but this specific tiling method slice dice already helps us to filter all the territories, or let's say to sort all the territories according to the order value for these regions. So here I can see that the highest number of order value is in this specific region, and so on, because the top represents the highest order value. So I can simply click all of this here, and we say that we want the data between 2021 and 2022. So let's do 2021 January till 2022 of December. And then we can see that okay, we have to change the highest number of order values because the data got changed. So that means here exactly now all the highest order value territories are selected for all the regions, and now if I go down I can see comparison of order values across selected territories, which displays how the trend is going across all the regions for all the highest order value of territories, and we can simply compare it here. So yeah, so we can see here the different interactions are tiling method. We have the option to select according to time, and also pinpointing specific regions and territories, and comparison of order values across selected territories, also answering our task question. Thank you.